There are a lot of differences between can and could, but today we are going to talk about only two of them. The first difference, can is used for the presentability. अगर इस वक्त आप कुछ कर सकते हो तो आपने can का इस्तेमाल करना है. For example, I can talk, I can walk, I can see. So presentability. Past ability के लिए हम could का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For example, I could swim when I was young. So could for the past ability. The second difference, can is used for the informal request. अगर आपने अपने दोस्त से हो या उससे कोई चीज़ मांगनी हो तो फिर आपने can का इस्तेमाल करना है. Can you give me your ballpoint? I forget my one at home. Could is used for the polite request. अगर आपने अपने टीचर से अपने बॉस से कोई रिक्वेस्ट करनी हो तो फिर आपने could का इस्तेमाल करना है present में. For example, I'm confused in it. Sir, could you explain it to me? So could for the polite request and can for the informal request. Hopefully you got it. If you wish to get a high score, follow us for more.